This stunning 1970 Dodge Charger is a textbook example of excellent application of the Pro Touring formula. It's a magazine-featured, national award-winning superstar that's just as capable at the autocross as it is on the show field. The beneficiary of a 2,600-hour restoration, this broad-shouldered MoPar has been carefully crafted with an equal emphasis on performance and aesthetics. The fuselage was worked to excellent fit and finish. Once detailed, that slick profile was dressed in black PPG base, buried in glossy clear, and accented with Lamborghini Millennium Silver stripes. Open the doors to reveal a tastefully restored interior that's backed by quality Dynomat insulation. Leather buckets complement a factory vinyl bench. A clean dash frames original gauges and controls for custom auto air conditioning. A traditional console centers a TKO pistol grip shifter, and the driver spins a wood-trimmed steering wheel. Thanks to its 451 cubic inch Indy cylinder head street wedge V8, this Dodge moves to the tune of over 400 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. Managing that power is a Tremec TKO600 5-speed that spins 354 gears in a Dana 60. The Pro Touring movement was founded on trading unwanted compromises for unconstrained capability. With its fully upgraded suspension, quick shifting Tremec, and stout big block, that's exactly what this Charger excels at. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.